Hey guys, this is Mankpal from Gossipfunda, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can scan QR codes on the iPhone. Before you learn how to do scanning on QR codes on the iPhone, it is necessary that you understand what QR codes are. So, QR codes are direct codes, quick response codes that are available for the links, apps, and tickets and more for your websites. You can access QR codes on the websites and directly take them to the link of whatever QR code is standing for. QR code are a direct code reader that can be applied on any camera. Unlike a barcode, it gives access to a long number of digits, and it can help you in sending multiple link locations across various devices. So how can you scan a QR code on your iPhone? Let me show you directly how you can scan a QR code on your iPhone. There are basically two different methods of how you can scan QR codes on your iPhone. So the first method of scanning the QR code is using the camera app of our iPhone. Go to the camera app of our iPhone, and in the camera app, go to the QR code that you want to scan. You can see a link will appear whenever you want to open the QR code. I'm going to press on this link, and it would directly take me to the link that here I used my Telegram link, and it showed me the Telegram link where I wanted it to do. So the next method of scanning the QR codes on your iPhone is going to the Google app. In the Google app, click on the photos button, select on the image that you want to select, and then you can get the QR code. You can copy the text and then search it online, and then it would take you directly to the QR code. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to the Gossipfunda channel and also check out the Gossipfunda website for more amazing content. Thank you.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.